Hey, and welcome to It's Not Letting Me. Here is 5 Zoom tips for teachers in 1 minute. The first tip is use polling to take attendance. First, you create a poll with all the names of your students in it. You can only get 10 in a row, so you do 9, and then you have the 10th one say not listed. You do that as many times as many students you have. Students come, they check their name, and then they check not listed for all the other ones. You know who's there and who's not there. Use breakout rooms. Breakout rooms are amazing, but getting kids in breakout rooms is really complicated. So here's the deal. Get every kid updated to the latest version of Zoom, and then they can select their own breakout room. Super easy. You can use the share screen tool to have every student share their screen simultaneously. This works when you're in breakout rooms or even when you're in the main room. You can have every student share their screen, and then you have a drop-down list where you can just look over the shoulder of any student's work. Use the gallery view. The gallery view is great. It lets you see what students are texting while they're in class, shows you who's paying attention. It also gives you good feedback on what's happening in the room. You can change in the upper corner from speaker view to gallery view, and then you move one student's window, and then you can say follow host's order. Then every student is going to see the gallery exactly how you'd see it. It's really helpful in conversations because then you can say we're going to do column 1 first, and then column 2, and then column 3, so students know when to be prepared to speak. Use shortcut keys. I will include a PDF in the bottom of this below with an easy printout that you can keep in front of you to help you with the shortcut keys. The most important shortcut key is the spacebar. The spacebar will unmute you. So if you have a full class of kids and they're all muted, but you want to have them talk, the easiest thing to do is just hit that space bar while you're holding it. It unmutes you, and then you let it go, it goes back to mute. This is It's Not Letting Me. We do technology tutorial videos to make your life easier. Like and subscribe down below. We'll see you next time.
It's not letting me!
Quit saying that.